In this video, we are going to see that if we come across an error while trying to access any particular website in Microsoft Edge which says can't reach this page, DNS probe started, DNS address could not be found, diagnosing the problem now. So here's a quick fix on how we can resolve this, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first solution could be a very simple one, but you can just try using or accessing the same website with some other browser. So if you are having the same problem on the other browser as well, that means either there is a problem with the website, the internet connection, or at the network itself. So once we check that and identified the issue, doesn't matter whatever is the issue, the second step is right click and go to the control panel from here. From here, we want to change this category to large icon so that we can easily find the options. And from here, we click on network and sharing center. Click on that. And whatever internet connection you have, you just click on this. It will show right up, or otherwise you click on the change adapter settings, and whatever internet you are connected to, you just right click on that and click on the properties, and you will basically head over to the same section. But I'll just make it more convenient for you. You just click it directly from here and head over to the properties. And from here, we choose IPv version 4 protocol, click on the properties, and basically we will use the Google DNS server, that is this one. The IP address should be kept as it is until your server guy or IT guy suggests you to change it to something else. We want to place here 8 and press a forward button. Then between the next dot, you type again 8, again 8 and 8. Make sure to write it separately after each dots. And in the second line, in the alternate DNS server, we will write 8, 8, 4 and 4. Validate settings upon exit, click OK and click close. It will show that detecting the problem couldn't identify this problem, but it might work for you. So what we do is we close out of here, and it might still work for you. Just restart your computer once in order to make that effective, and a lot of time after changing the server DNS, it should work for you. The other thing that you can use is the troubleshooter itself. Here is the troubleshoot problems, and we right here other troubleshooters, or select that, and from here we want to run the problem regarding network and internet. Click on run, and it shows you the good news, or otherwise it will show you the all problems that you can find the solution for that, and you can restart the adapter, you can run some network test and so on. So this is a really effective tool that you follow accordingly. If you need more help, you can just write it here. And that is pretty much how you have to resolve this. And finally, just check your internet connection. If you're connected with the proper internet, just make sure that you're connected with the right device or the right router. And if yes, just check that if everything is plugged in correctly. Also, just make sure to check on the router if you're not getting any red light or any kind of error. That might be a backend problem. So in that case, you might need to connect with the internet company. You might need to check with them. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.